Spring is all about new beginnings, fresh energy, and vibrant colors. So why not bring that spirit into your small apartment with Maximalist Decor? If you're tired of minimalist spaces and want to embrace a more expressive and joyful aesthetic, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the world of Maximalist Spring decor, where bold colors, layered patterns, and a mix of textures create a visually stunning yet cozy home. Stay with me until the end, because I'll be sharing some expert tips on how to balance maximalism in a small space without overwhelming it. And if you love home decor content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Maximalism is more than just filling a space with decor. It's an art form that allows for bold self-expression. The key to getting it right is striking the perfect balance between vibrant elements and a structured aesthetic. When designing a maximalist spring interior, start with a well-thought-out color palette. Spring is all about fresh energy, so opt for a mix of lively greens, warm corals, and striking jewel tones. To keep everything cohesive, choose a base color. For the room, this could be a soft pastel or a deep, rich shade. Then layer in pops of brighter hues through furniture, textiles, and accessories. One of the most effective ways to create depth in a space is by using a combination of contrasting patterns, such as floral prints paired with geometric designs or abstract motifs against vintage-inspired wallpapers. The beauty of maximalist decor lies in the layering of textures and finishes. Think velvet upholstery, woven rattan pieces, glossy ceramics, and metallic accents all coming together to create a visually engaging space. Instead of worrying about everything matching perfectly, focus on building an environment that feels curated and full of character. A great way to start is by using textiles, layering throw blankets, patterned rugs, and decorative pillows in different fabrics can instantly elevate the room. If you're feeling adventurous, consider mixing unexpected elements like a bold wallpaper with an intricate Persian rug, or a sleek modern sofa paired with antique decor. By embracing contrast and texture, you can create a maximalist spring home that feels both energizing and elegant. Follow this easy, step-by-step guide to create a space that radiates bold beauty while maintaining harmony. Step 1. Choose a bold color palette. Start with a base of lively spring hues. Think emerald green, coral pink, or sunshine yellow. Maximalism thrives on contrast, so don't be afraid to mix warm and cool tones. Layer in accent colors through furniture, wall art, and accessories for a dynamic look. Step 2. Play with patterns and textures. Floral wallpaper, geometric rugs, why not both? Combine intricate prints with textured elements like velvet cushions, woven throws, and embroidered upholstery to add depth. Mixing patterns creates an effortlessly curated aesthetic that feels rich and inviting. Step 3. Invest in statement furniture. Maximalist decor shines with standout furniture. Opt for a tufted velvet sofa, a vintage cabinet with ornate detailing, or a bold sculptural coffee table. Each piece should have its own story while contributing to the overall harmony of the space. Step 4. Layer your decor with personality stack art books, display ceramic vases, or create a gallery wall with a mix of vintage and modern prints. The key is to make your space feel collected over time, rather than overly coordinated. Step 5. Perfect the lighting for a warm glow. Natural light enhances the vibrancy of maximalist decor, but ambient lighting is just as crucial. Use chandeliers, statement lamps, and wall sconces to create a warm, inviting glow that highlights your design choices. With these simple steps, you'll craft a maximalist spring oasis that feels cozy, chic, and completely you. Maximalism is all about making a bold statement, and furniture plays a key role in bringing that vision to life. Instead of opting for small, neutral furniture that blends into the background, go for pieces that demand attention. A tufted velvet sofa in a striking emerald green or mustard yellow can instantly become the focal point of your living room. If you're working with limited space, don't be afraid to choose oversized furniture. Instead of cluttering a room with multiple small pieces, invest in a few standout items that command presence. A sculptural armchair in a unique shape, a mirrored coffee table that reflects light to create an illusion of more space, or a Baroque-inspired headboard in your bedroom can all add to the rich, layered aesthetic of maximalist design. The key to making bold furniture work in a small apartment is balance. Since maximalist decor thrives on contrast, don't be afraid to mix styles. Pair a vintage wooden dresser with modern acrylic chairs, or a contemporary metal-framed bed with an ornate hand-woven rug. Multifunctional furniture is also a game-changer, especially in smaller spaces. Consider using an ottoman with hidden storage, a foldable bar cart that can serve as a display shelf, or a statement bookshelf with a mix of open and closed compartments to keep clutter at bay. By curating statement furniture that serves both aesthetic and practical functions, you can create a space that feels luxurious yet livable, proving that maximalism isn't just about excess, it's about making bold, intentional choices. Accessories are the finishing touches that bring maximalist spaces to life, and in spring decor they offer the perfect opportunity to play with colors, patterns, and textures. The secret to achieving a stylish, curated maximalist look is layering without overcrowding. Start with textiles. Mix bold floral throw pillows with striped or animal print cushions to add depth to your seating area. Rugs are another great way to introduce pattern and texture. Consider layering a smaller Persian or Moroccan-style rug over a larger jute or sisal rug for a rich, textured look. Wall art is essential in maximalist spaces, so go beyond a single framed piece. Create an eclectic gallery wall featuring a mix of paintings, vintage mirrors, and framed prints in different sizes and shapes. Lighting is another game-changer when accessorizing a maximalist space. Statement chandeliers, sculptural floor lamps, and colorful pendant lights can elevate the room's atmosphere and add a touch of drama. Plants and floral arrangements are a must-have in spring decor. Introduce fresh greenery with potted plants, cascading vines, or even an oversized vase filled with vibrant tulips or cherry blossoms. The goal is to create a space that feels lively and dynamic without feeling overwhelming. When layering accessories, keep a common color scheme in mind to tie everything together. And most importantly, don't be afraid to showcase personal treasures. Whether it's travel souvenirs, antique finds, or bold ceramic pieces, maximalism thrives on individuality. By thoughtfully layering accessories, you can transform your apartment into a vibrant and expressive retreat, embodying the essence of spring. A well-designed maximalist space isn't just about layering colors and textures, it's about directing attention. In a small apartment, where every inch matters, creating a strong focal point is key to maintaining a sense of harmony amidst the visual richness. A focal point acts as an anchor, drawing the eye to a single standout feature while allowing the rest of the decor to support it. This could be a statement wall with bold wallpaper, a large piece of artwork, or an eye-catching furniture piece like a luxurious velvet sofa in a deep emerald or sapphire hue. If you're working with a bedroom, consider making your bed the centerpiece by layering an ornate headboard with richly patterned pillows and throws. In a dining area, a sculptural pendant light above the table can command attention while tying together the elements of the room. Once you've chosen your focal point, the key is to frame it properly without overwhelming the space. Use contrast to make it pop. If you have a bright accent wall, balance it with more neutral furniture, or if your statement piece is a colorful sofa, complement it with subtle but textured accessories. Lighting also plays a big role in highlighting a focal point. For example, a gallery wall can be enhanced with strategically placed sconces or picture lights. Don't be afraid to go bold. But remember, maximalism is about curated excess, not chaos. By thoughtfully selecting one standout element and allowing the rest of the room to enhance rather than compete with it, your maximalist spring apartment will feel intentional, dynamic, and effortlessly stylish. One of the most charming aspects of maximalist decor is the ability to mix styles, eras, and influences to create a layered, collected look. Unlike trends that focus on sleek, modern uniformity, maximalism embraces the beauty of contrast, pairing antique pieces with contemporary finds, blending vintage charm with modern sophistication. This approach makes a space feel lived in, personal, and full of character. An ornate gilded mirror above a modern console table, a mid-century armchair next to an Art Deco-inspired floor lamp, or a rustic wooden dining table surrounded by vibrant, eclectic chairs. All these combinations add depth and visual interest. To successfully mix old and new, start with a unifying color palette or a recurring material, such as warm wood tones, metallic finishes, or jewel-toned fabrics, to create cohesion amidst the diversity. The beauty of this style is in the storytelling. Every piece in your home should feel like it has a story to tell. Vintage items can often be sourced from thrift stores, flea markets, or even inherited family treasures, while newer pieces can come from high-end stores or budget-friendly retailers. Don't be afraid to repurpose or upcycle furniture to blend seamlessly into your design. Painting an old cabinet in a bold hue, reupholstering a vintage chair in a luxurious fabric, or turning an antique trunk into a stylish coffee table are all great ways to merge past and present. The secret to maximalist balance is layering thoughtfully, ensuring that each piece contributes to the overall aesthetic without feeling forced. By embracing the mix of old and new, your small apartment will exude warmth, personality, and a timeless elegance that evolves with you. Maximalist Spring decor is all about celebrating vibrancy, self-expression, and the art of layering. By thoughtfully combining bold colors, intricate patterns, and rich textures, you can create a space that feels lively, sophisticated, and uniquely yours. The beauty of maximalism is that there are no strict rules. It's about curating a home that feels joyful and inspiring while allowing your personality to shine. Whether you've chosen a statement furniture piece, layered decorative accessories, or mixed old and new elements, the key to making it all work is finding balance within the boldness. Even in a small apartment, maximalism can be an elegant and inviting approach when executed with intention. The most important takeaway? Don't be afraid to experiment. Test different combinations, rearrange pieces, and let your decor evolve naturally. I hope today's video has given you inspiration and confidence to embrace maximalist spring decor in your own space. If you love these ideas and want to see more design tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new upload. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite element of maximalist design? Let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy decorating.